My name is Ina Uzberk. I'm from Israel. I'm olive oil sommelier. So I'm so happy to be here because my knowledge was about like olive oil, defect, quality, and everything about this. But I would like to know something more about the olive oil meal, about olive oil growing, and I totally improved my knowledges. I met some interesting people. It was so nice speaker, a lot of practice. So I think it was very, very emotional and important time for me. So now I can, I'm absolutely know more than before. So guys, you can come, enjoy like me. I think it will be very important and interesting for all of us who are in this market out of the world.